Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to control the key press event by using Selenium WebDriver. Let us consider the test case where we should launch Google login page and we should enter username, then we should use the tab key. Fine. Then here we should wait for 3 seconds. Again we should wait, click tab. Again in learn more we should wait for 3 seconds. Again we should click tab. In next is a button, we should click by using click method. So how can we press the tab key over here? That is what we need to check by using Selenium automation script. Let me close the browser. Let me get into Eclipse. Let's create a new class. I'll give the class name as keypress demo one. This is the main class. Let me delete all the unwanted code. This is the one line which we do not want. Instead of that, I'll go back to the common code template and take the common code which we are using for all the scenarios and I pasted over here. For WebDriver I need to import the API and for Firefox driver also I need to import. It is done. Let's launch the application. So my browser object is obj.get and this is what the URL we need to launch. After launching the URL, we need to enter the username. So for entering the username, let me just say before entering the username I should clear it. So to clear the existing content, what we need to do is I need to identify the field for which I need to clear the data by using xpath and dot clear. Sorry, the xpath expression. Okay, so the xpath expression must be within double quotes, and here dot clear is the method to clear the existing content. Fine. Now after clearing the existing content, I need to enter the test data. That we know how to do by using send keys. So instead of clear, I need to use send keys, and let me use my own test data, that is gayatri.mis1@gmail.com. This is what my Gmail ID. Fine. Now let's check the correct XPath for this field. This is the field I need to inspect and get the XPath. So where is the one sec? Yes, this is for this. I need to get the XPath. So let me do it once again. Whether it is XPath or full XPath, anything I can take. So this time I am using XPath. Yes, fine. Now the same XPath must be provided over here. Next step is to click on tab. So how can we do that? We need to use send keys. So let's say from the same field. So I'll copy from the same field. We need to click on tab after entering the test data. So I'll copy this much, and here we should use send keys, and we have something called keys dot. All type of keys you can able to see. What you need to do, you need to click on clear keys, or you need to click on cancel or back, arrow up, arrow right, arrow left, alt, add. So many keys are there, so we need to use tab key. So tab. Fine. So let's test how it is working. Let me clear the console. Before execution, let us do one thing. I'll just give the wait statement by using thread.slip. So let's say it is 2000, means 2 seconds it will wait. I need to add the throws declaration as we already used many times. Fine. Now after entering tab, okay, let us check whether the tab key we can able to click or not, then I'll proceed. So let's run as Java application. Yes, you can able to see forgot email has been highlighted. That means we entered the test data and we clicked on tab. That is the reason it came to forgot email. Then from forgot email, if we will click on tab, it will come to learn more. So we should inspect this forgot email now, and here let me capture the XPath again. Sorry. Here forgot email XPath, and after this dot send keys, and what we need to send, keys dot tab. So let's do one thing once again, keys dot tab. Yes, our job is done. Fine. So this is for coming to forgot, one second, forgot email, and then we are pressing tab key. That means it will come to learn more. So let's execute. Yeah, this is the code. I will execute it once again. Yes, we are in learn more. Fine. Now we need to come to next button. So that means we should click on tab from learn more. So again I will inspect the element, and let me take the XPath. Sometimes the execution is very faster. To make it slower, we can use thread.slip. No need to worry. So yeah. Now I took the XPath of the other element where we need to click on tab again to come to the button where we need to click. So here keys dot fine. Now again we will wait for some seconds and click on the button. Let's say we will wait for 2 seconds and then we need to click on the button. So the button here is next button. So let's go for this next button. I'll just go for inspecting next button. This is what, and I need to take an XPath for this. Fine. Now let's go back. Now button XPath I provided over here, then here we need to click. Fine. So our clicking on tab is working fine. So let me execute again to check everywhere it should work. So let's use thread.sleep to see the execution properly without any hassle. I am giving some wait statement 2 seconds, let's say, and here also 2 seconds, and again that's it. Fine. Now let me execute the code. We get some waiting time, so the execution will be little slower. See, forgot email, learn more, next. Now we are clicking on next. So our key press is working fine and we have automated it successfully. To click on tab key. So other keys also you can able to work by using. Let's show you some other keys. I am taking a random keyword just to random XPath just to show you the other keys available. So keys dot, say this, once again I should do it here. Keys dot, see, add, alt, arrow down, arrow left, arrow right, arrow up arrow down arrow, right arrow left arrow, backspace, cancel, clear. Clear is also one key available over here we can use, and command. So many keys are there. You can work on all the keys. You can control all the keys from keyboard and automate it successfully by using keys dot key name and providing it in the specific to the specific location of the element or the XPath of the locator you should provide successfully. Then send keys dot the key name. This is the way you can automate the keyboard keys. Fine. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it is useful.